It's going to happen. Your garage door or automatic gate will need fixing someday. Prepare now, subscribe to join our DIY community, plus it motivates me to make more videos, and it's free. Okay, to set the limits on your LiftAway Roller Door opener, we're going to start by telling the opener if it's on the right-hand side or left-hand side of the door. If utilising the standard right-hand installation, this step can be ignored. However, we're going to still check to see if the opener has been set on the correct setting. Start by pressing and holding the set button until LED displays the number 5. If the unit displays the number 0, this is set for right-hand installation. If you're installing the unit on the left-hand side, press the up or down button to select number 1. As we're installing this opener on the right-hand side of the door, we're going to reselect 0. Once you have the correct setting, press set to confirm. Now we're going to set the door's open and close limit travel setting. To do this, press and hold the set button until the LED displays the number 1. And just double checking the door is engaged, hold your finger on the up button until you get near the top of the track. Fine tune the open setting by going up or down on the controller and then press the set button once you're happy with the desired open limit. When the display shows up number 2, hold the down button until the door travels down to the lower limit. Once you are nearing the bottom limit, release the button and fine tune using up or down to determine the final limit position. For less wear and tear on the door and motor, ensure the door is not driven too far into the ground by making sure there's a little bit of slack in the curtain, and the door should lift up just a tiny bit off the floor. When you're happy with this, press the set button and the opener will operate a full cycle automatically to remember the limit positions and the opening and closing force. And once that's complete, you're done. That's how you set the travel limits on your LiftAway Roller Door opener.
I'm that roller door bloke, thanks for watching.